Good morning, children. In the ideas of development, in this session, we will learn about income and other goals. In the previous class, we have learned that what people desires are regular work, better wages, decent price for the crops and products that they produce. Just earning income is not only the thing the people seek in their life. What do else they want? They want freedom, equality, security and respect for the work what they do. Even it is of very low task. Can you say how do we differentiate people? By their appearance? Yes, exactly by their appearance. The way they dress up, the things they use, the brand they use, the kind of clothes they wear, the kind of food they eat, the kind of vehicles they use, all these are the things which differentiate rich and poor people. Apart from these material things, there are also some non material things which are very important in the life of a person. Let us see with a small example here. If you get a job in a far off place, you have to live away from your family, but the job is very good. You will earn lot of money, but there is no security in the job. You will not be with your family when they need you. You have a second option for your job where you can live with your family, with your parents, with your children, but the salary is less. You can be with your family when they need you. And at most, there is security for the job which you are doing. So, which kind of job would you like to do, children? Definitely, everyone likes to do the second choice only. What is GDP? GDP means gross domestic product. The definition of GDP is total value of goods and services that are produced in a country within a period of time is called as GDP. That means in a year, whatever the income that is earned from various sectors like primary, secondary and tertiary sector, the income that is earned from these three sectors within a period of time, that is in the financial year, whatever we earn is called as GDP, gross domestic product. Per capita income. Per means per one, capita means per head. Income, how much income is earned for a person in the country is known as per capita income. Let us see how this per capita income can be calculated. When we divide GDP, that is total income of the country, by number of people in the country, that is total population, we get average income, that is also called as per capita income. We know there are three kinds of countries in the world. They are developed countries, developing countries, underdeveloped countries. The World Bank classified all the countries into three types. They are high income earning countries, that are rich countries, low income earning countries, that are the countries which per capita income is very less, and middle income earning countries which is in between rich countries and low income earning countries. It gave a world development report basing on the per capita income of the countries. Let us see how they have based the per capita income. Countries with per capita income of US dollars 12,600 per year, that is per annum, in the year 2012 are called as high income earning countries. Those whose per capita is US dollars 1035 or less than that are low income earning countries. The countries whose per capita income is US dollars 12,600 to US dollars 1035 are known as Middle income countries. All the West Asian countries are developed countries. They have already developed and called as developed countries. While averages are useful for comparison, they hide disparities. Observe this table of monthly income of a citizen in 2001. Country A, persons from 1 to 5, they earn nearly 9,500 to 10,200. Nearly everyone's income is of same range. But country B, first 4% income is less one compared to fifth person. So when we take average, these disparities, differences in the incomes of earnings is not considered.